Welcome to another day in my life, a day we will spend exploring the gentle yet powerful concept of Ahimsa. Ahimsa, a principle rooted in yoga philosophy, teaches us the art of non-violence and compassion. As we navigate through my daily activities, we will explore how this principle can be gracefully integrated into our routines, making each action a testament to kindness and mindfulness. I started my day early, as always, heading to the gym. Here, Ahimsa isn't just a concept, it's a practice. It's about respecting our body's limits, nurturing it through exercise without pushing it to extremes. After the gym, I found a cozy spot in a local coffee shop to work. This change of environment is refreshing and helps keep my mind sharp and creative. Here, practicing Ahimsa means being mindful of the shared space, engaging in quiet work, and respecting the peaceful ambience of the cafe. It's a reminder that our actions, however small, can contribute to a harmonious environment. Later, I headed to Costco for my weekly grocery shopping. Walking through the aisles, I picked items that are nourishing and ethically sourced. In making these choices, I practice Ahimsa by considering the impact of my consumption on my body and the planet. It's about being conscious of what I bring into my home and how it affects the world. Back home, organizing groceries is a ritual in itself. The guiding principle of my grocery shopping is to strike a harmonious balance between healthy eating and savoring life's pleasures. This is the reason I share my grocery choices with my newsletter subscribers, delving into the why behind each item to help inspire a balanced approach to food and wellness. I picked up some organic chicken wings, perfect for a wholesome game night. Keep an eye on my newsletter where I'll be sharing all the delicious details soon. I talk about buying a whole piece of beef, a choice that reflects my commitment to reduce waste and being intentional with my resources. Additionally, by handling my meat myself, I have the advantage of trimming any excess fat, something that is not feasible with the pre-ground meat. This extra step ensures I get the leanest, healthiest cuts, perfectly suited to my dietary preferences. I enjoy preparing roast beef with a portion of the meat. It's a convenient and efficient way to ensure I always have a ready source of protein in my fridge. Whether it's for adding to a meal or tossing it into a sandwich for an extra protein boost, This method aligns perfectly with my commitment to mindful and nourishing eating. Lunch was a seamless affair, thanks to my practice of cooking double portions at dinner. It's the easiest way to ensure I don't skip eating healthy, even on a day as busy as this. This habit is my daily nod to Ahimsa, taking care of my nutritional needs with foresight and kindness. In the afternoon, I worked on the content for my newsletter, a task I cherish. Sharing wisdom and positivity is my way of extending Ahimsa to my audience, fostering a community of wellness and care. As the year progresses, the days gradually become shorter, leading us to spend more time indoors. However, this shift offers a unique opportunity to find joy in the simple, everyday moments. Embracing the ordinary with a positive spirit can turn these longer evenings into times of comfort and contentment. It's in this warmth that I love to cook dinner, creating dishes that nourish both body and soul. Tonight, I used part of the meat to make a heartwarming meal, a perfect embodiment of the nurturing spirit of Ahimsa. As we conclude today's journey, remember, beautiful soul, that practicing Ahimsa is about finding balance and harmony in every aspect of our lives. Embrace each day with love, patience, and a deep respect for all forms of life. Stay inspired, nourished, and always strive to spread positivity. Namaste.